In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello cards, lists, and boards, a task that's essential to keeping your Trello workspace organized and clutter-free. Trello is a powerful tool for project management and collaboration, and knowing how to manage your boards effectively can make a significant difference in your workflow efficiency. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, head over to Trello and log into your account. Once you're on the login page, click on the option to log in with Google and select your account. This method is the fastest way to access your Trello boards if you generally use a Google account. After logging in, navigate to the board you want to edit. You can do this by going to your dashboard and selecting the appropriate board from the list of your available boards. Once you're on the board, identify the list you'd like to delete. Look for the three dots icon next to the title of the list. This is the menu where you'll find additional options. Click on these three dots to open the list menu. To begin the process of deletion, first, archive all cards within this list. Hover over and select Archive all cards in this list. You'll then get a prompt to confirm your action. Click on Archive cards to finalize archiving all the cards. After the cards have been archived, it's time to archive the list itself. Go back to the three dots next to the list title and this time choose Archive this list. With the cards and list archived, the visual clutter on your board has been significantly reduced and you can now focus on the board itself. Next, locate the three dots on your board's menu, typically found at the top of your screen, and click on them to access more options. From this menu, choose Close Board to prepare it for deletion. Closing a board is a necessary step before it can be permanently deleted, and it's useful to think of it as putting the board away in storage. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click Close to finalize. While the board is now closed, remember that it's not yet deleted. It's simply out of your active boards. If you wish to completely remove it from your Trello account, you can navigate to the Close Board section and delete the board permanently from there. Following these steps ensures that your Trello workspace stays organized, reflecting only the most current and relevant information. Proper management and periodic decluttering help maintain focus and efficiency, crucial for any project or team environment using Trello as a digital organizational tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your Trello boards a little easier.